This is about distress management. These series of nuggets are designed to assist you to invent ways that you can stay calm, collected, and grounded no matter what the circumstances. Now, I know that that's not what most people believe is possible, but I'm sure it is. And as a leader in your family, as a leader in your organization, as a leader in your country, your goal can be to be the one who's happy, grounded, and clear no matter what's going on. Again, I realize that I'm talking about something that's outside of the boundary of what most people consider possible. But it's what I ask that you imagine. And begin on this first introduction to imagine a life where you are happy, you're grounded, you're clear, you're centered, no matter what the swirl is around you. Because I know that's possible. And I believe that you'll be a better individual, and certainly you'll be a better leader. You'll be way more effective in every area of life when you discover that possibility within you. So during the next series of ideas, as I present them, please don't listen to them like a student would listen to a teacher. That's not the relationship I want. What I want is that you and I be co-creators and co-inventors of many different practices that you can put into place so that when the world is a swirl, when there's problems that seem insurmountable to yourself, to your family, to your organization, or in the world, that no matter what those problems are, you're approaching them with a clear head and a relaxed body. The way I'm going to talk about these techniques are to break the strategies, the practices into two different areas. One is when the distress that you have is in your body. And then also when the distress you have is in your mind. Now, of course, your body and your mind are interconnected. But often when the tension shows up, it shows up physically. That's why we call it tension. It shows up in your body. When the worry shows up, it shows up in your mind. And it's that kind of mental distress or physical distress that different techniques work a little more effectively. So the first set of techniques I'm going to present are for the body. And the next set are for the mind, for the racing mind, for the mind that keeps you awake, or for the body that keeps you in tension. You got the sore neck, it's a pain in your neck or a pain in your back, or a problem with your stomach. That's the tension and distress that shows up in your body. Whereas that worry, that inability to think, the inability to sleep, the inability to even sometimes speak clearly, that's the worry. Again, I do know that you are a person with a mind and a body, and they're interconnected. So as we invent together, please keep looking for what technique can you create that will work for your level of distress. So as we look at each one of these, and as I present these ideas, please keep that inventor spirit. And if I present an idea that you think is just way off, then just turn it around and come up with an idea that'll work for you. So here we go.